Hi, today I'm going to show you how to make a special Persian bread. Here are the ingredients including flours, milk, yogurt, sugar, turmeric, salt, olive oil and 2 large bowls in which you mix them and prepare the dough. 430 milliliters of milk heated for 2 minutes would come to an ideal temperature of 110 degrees Fahrenheit. It is, however, safe to stay between 100 and 120 degrees. Otherwise, the yeast would not rise. Now, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. You can use white sugar if you want to, and 2 tablespoons or 1 small package of instant yeast are mixed with the milk. Stir only a few times. Cover the mixture with a towel and let it rise for 10 minutes. Add other ingredients including turmeric, baking powder, and salt to the flour in a big bowl and mix them thoroughly. By this time, the mixture of yeast and milk has risen to a foam-like substance. Gradually add the flour mixture, yogurt, and olive oil while stirring with a wooden spoon or a mixer for just about 3 to 5 minutes until you get a consistent dough. Now it's time for kneading. Sprinkle a pastry board with flour. Transfer the dough on the board. Sprinkle with flour again and start kneading. Keep sprinkling the board and the dough with flour all throughout kneading. Otherwise, the dough is going to stick to the board and your hand, making the process difficult. I also use a little plastic squeegee to remove the sticky part of the dough from the board. You can also smear some olive oil to reduce the sticking effect during kneading. Knead for only 10 minutes or less until you achieve a soft, consistent dough that would not stick to your hand. If you knead longer than 10 minutes, the bread will become hard. Sprinkle some flour in a bowl. Put the dough inside and sprinkle some more flour on top and around it. Cover the bowl with a towel and let it rest for about 90 minutes. The dough is going to rise to almost 2 to 3 times the original size. Transfer the dough on the pastry board. Cut it into 3 equal parts. And then cut those parts into 8 smaller pieces. Make patties from these small pieces. Sprinkle a flat surface with flour. Put the patties there. Cover them with wrap or towel to keep from losing moisture, and let them rest for 5 more minutes. Set the oven on broil and high temperature. Flatten the patties with a roller to the desired thickness. I use this small pasta machine, which makes the process much easier for me. Brush some water on the surface of the dough and sprinkle with mixture of sesame and other seeds that you like. Bake each bread about 3 minutes in an oven preheated to high degree broil. When you remove the bread from the oven, spray just a mist of water on it to keep it soft and moist. Now let the bread cool down. Cut them to pieces and use fresh or store in freezer and toast before serving. Happy baking! Thank you for watching, and I hope you watch my upcoming video baking Persian bread too.